Well, what is going on, guys, and welcome into the video. So it seems everybody knows when the market will bottom and when we all need to be buying. Heck, we just came out of some major YouTube drama, which I will not rehash again or discuss again, that surrounded this exact topic. But I'm actually hearing it everywhere, not just on YouTube. It's on every news station. Even the comments section is full of people who seem to know exactly where the stock market will go, or what price this stock will go to, or that stock will go to, and all kinds of stuff like that. Seriously, everyone seems to know when to buy, the exact price, exactly where it's going, everything. But there's actually a problem. There is absolutely zero consensus, and the opinions are all over the map, and honestly, it just creates more confusion, even when people are honestly just trying to help in most times. The good news is, this exact thing has come up before during this downturn, and I've actually already addressed it in my private group, but because the noise just seems to be getting louder and growing daily to the point where people are fighting and arguing again, I figured it would be helpful for you guys here on YouTube to understand the truth about all this. I mean, seriously, you'd think there was like a toilet paper shortage or something given the amount of ridiculous fighting that's going on, even if it's just in the comments of my videos. So let's discuss the whole topic today. I just ask in exchange for you to gently tap that like button and consider subscribing too. It's super easy to do. And the free trial offer is ending the day after July 4th, where you get multiple videos like this every week, plus 4 courses and over 100 instructional videos, and you get direct and full access to me and a group of 6 and 7 figure investors. You get my watch list and price targets and buy and sell alerts and a ton more. So check out the pinned comment if you're interested and give it a try risk-free. I mean, just cancel before the time expires and it costs you nothing. So don't miss out on this chance to try it for free. Okay, so you guys wanted it and you're going to get it, but honestly, don't judge me for my hair. It was a bad day. Well, what is going on, guys, and welcome into the video. I know it's tough out there as it seems like the beatings are just never going to end, but I wanted to show you some facts on why you should keep looking for opportunities to buy, whether that be through DCA or price targets in the great long-term stocks, or however you choose to buy them. Just keep in mind, now is not the time to speculate. Remember, if you bought stocks in 2008 and 2009 at prices we all say, kind of something like, I wish I would have bought at that price, or those are genius prices, or whatever like that, you were probably down massively for months, maybe a year plus before coming out of it all. I know I was personally down anywhere from 20% to over 40% just on those buys during that time. And you talk about buying the dip and it keeps dipping, that is exactly what happened. That was actually the case for months upon months. I mean, seriously, look at this chart and show me a person who didn't buy the arrows and only bought the bottom that is circled down there at the bottom. And let me help you guys out real fast. That person doesn't exist that I'm aware of. Everybody bought somewhere on the arrows. I don't know anybody that actually bought the circle. But the person that bought the arrows still looks like a genius today, but we are not at that future day today where we look like geniuses. We are at the arrows right now, and unfortunately during the time of the arrows, you look kind of stupid and it's impossible to tell which set of arrows you were actually at. So it's not even worth a guess to try to figure out which one of those arrows we're at. Unfortunately, you cannot have one without the other unless you think you are that guy that is going to hit the circle perfectly. But otherwise, like myself and most people I know, you have to realize, understand, and be okay with being kind of stupid in the short term to be a genius in the long term. That is the reality of the situation we are in. I personally was, very dumb during the financial crisis to buy stocks because all stocks are going to zero like Lehman Brothers. And I bought in 2008 and 2009, but only a little bit actually, not nearly as much as I wanted to then, because I did listen to the narrative some. I did listen to others just a little bit, and then I finally started to buy more heavily in 2010 and kind of moving forward. Again, being told the entire time I was wasting my money and I was just basically a dumb investor. Now, obviously that didn't turn out to be true, and now all I hear is how smart I was to buy back then, which, as we have discussed many times here, I am not smart at all. I was actually just dumb enough to be okay with looking stupid for a few years and potentially being stupid forever if it didn't work out. That's all that I was. I also didn't buy any real estate in 2007, and I was told I was dumb by my friends, by family, and even other business partners said I was a bad investor. And I was neither dumb nor smart. The numbers just said don't buy property right now because the numbers just didn't work out. That's it. That's all that happened. I had no idea teachers were buying 6 houses in the middle of nowhere for 300 grand a piece. I had no idea Wall Street had trillions in derivatives outstanding against those bad loans to that teacher and all the other madness that was going on. I didn't know any of that. And then, of course, the real estate market crashed. And just like I was dumb not to buy in 2007 when they were at all-time highs, now I was dumb to buy in 2008, 2009, and 2010 because real estate is a terrible investment. Again, I had no idea it would roar back like it has since then. The only thing I did know was the numbers made sense again. I mean, that's it. It really was that simple. So kind of fast forward to today, I have no idea about when this whole market will turn around, how low it will actually go, or anything else to do with this market. I don't even know what the final chart will look like when we do a post-mortem like we did with this chart from the financial crisis. And we won't be able to do that until we are in the middle of the next bull run, so it's going to be a while, even if we recover soon, so it's kind of useless to try and figure this all out. We're not going to know it until we're already out of it and already moved on to kind of the next stage in the market. All that I know for sure is I will be buying somewhere around those arrows, and most likely we'll miss the circle at the bottom again. I mean, maybe I get lucky and hit that bottom on a stock or two, maybe, but I'm not about to strategize around it, and more importantly, it's not necessary to look really smart in a few years when you are so glad you hit those arrows instead of trying to hit that circle. You just have to be willing to be down and look silly like me in the meantime. So hopefully this was helpful. And don't forget the free trial for the private group ends the day after July 4th, so make sure you jump on that now before that goes away. And click this video here for 8 extreme value stocks, and click here for exactly what I'm doing to make huge money in this downturn. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.